Sometimes we can have ratio problems that involve a difference between two parts of a ratio. For example, a problem such as Eric and Katie share some money in the ratio 3:5. Katie gets £30 more than Eric. How much money is there in total? The question is giving us some clues as to how to solve the problem. We know that the difference between the two shares is £30. We also know that the difference between the two sides of the ratio is 2, because Eric has 3 parts of the money and Katie has 5 parts. 5 take away 3 is 2. We can take from this then that 2 parts of the ratio is equal to £30. Again, with the ratio, if we can find out what one part of the ratio is, then we can attempt to solve the problem easily. We can take £30 and divide it by 2. Here we'll get £15. We can now see that one part of the ratio is equal to £15. To find the total amount of money, we can add both parts of the ratio together, 3 plus 5 to get 8, and then multiply this by £15, which will give us £120. We've now found that there was £120 in total that was shared between Eric and Katie. This was all done by using the difference between the two ratios. I hope this helps and that you know how to solve problems that involve differences between ratios.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.